a lot of ways to protect the environment, but litigation plays a critical role because it's a way of addressing some of the most difficult problems.
We have laws that have to be enforced. People won't comply voluntarily, and so we need to be able to go to court to force them to comply.
Sometimes other forms of advocacy just don't make people change their behavior.
In the legal context, we can be as powerful as any of our adversaries.
NRDC is by far the most effective environmental organization at knowing when to use litigation as a tool.
Our members often play a critical role in a litigation case by either serving as a deponent, as somebody who actually testifies in a case, or giving us a written declaration about their experiences. And often those facts are relied on by judges in deciding the case.
We have to, as a membership organization, say we're coming through the court doors on behalf of the good people who support us.
For several years, NRDC has been involved in protecting San Onofre State Beach in South Orange County from a 6-lane toll road. It was great to see our members turning out to that hearing and testifying in front of the agency and really speaking from the heart about what our state parks mean to us.
Up in Morro Bay, which is sort of a really beautiful, tourist-friendly community, but what a lot of people didn't know is they had a very antiquated wastewater treatment plant up there, which was discharging basically minimally treated sewage into the ocean. With the help of a lot of community and members of NRDC, we actually got that plant to agree to upgrade to the highest treatment standards.
A colleague and I represented a low-income community in south central Los Angeles that was fighting a hazardous waste transfer station in a residential neighborhood. We worked for many years with the local community, with the state, with local government, and we were able to shut down that facility.
Just today I was talking to a member in Fresno who's impacted from air pollution. We're challenging some actions that EPA took, and they basically are giving a free pass to large sources of pollution.
One area where our members have been extremely valuable to us is the series of cases we brought to challenge sonar systems deployed by the U.S. Navy around the world. We got a preliminary injunction from the federal court in San Francisco, and over a period of the next year, we then took the case to trial, and ultimately were granted judgment in our favor.
There's a proposed rail yard for this very small town in Kansas. They're proposing to turn it into a 1,000-acre industrial zone. This one member, who happens to live only 4 miles from this project, helped us in this case and helped us bring this lawsuit, and we're fighting to protect her and her family.
We are constantly the David facing a Goliath.
We win almost all the time.
Like it when you win.
My client is the environment and all the people who depend on it.